When I first started in the supplement industry, I was not a very big believer in the idea of probiotics. The reason I was not a big believer in probiotics is, one, they don't tend to survive the stomach acid environment very well. Two, they don't adhere very well. They don't stick into the intestine very well and grow. Our bodies actually, or our microbiome, kind of protects its space. It doesn't want new things coming in and taking over their territory, basically. With Synergy, we have a product called Biome Actives, and it uses a unique type of a probiotic, a Bacillus coagulans. It's a spore-forming probiotic, and the reason why that's important is because when it's in its spore state, it's basically impervious to stomach acid or whatever else it might come into contact with. It will survive almost anything. So when we take Biome Actives, these spores are getting into our stomach, and then when they're in our intestine, they activate. They become live bacteria. They are able to adhere some, and the great thing about it is it's not necessarily that we're having new inclusion of Bacillus coagulans, it's that we're improving our overall gut environment. We're changing our gut environment to be more anaerobic, which is important. We want an anaerobic environment in our gut because it allows for other bacteria that are beneficial to grow and thrive in that environment. So simply by taking this one species of bacteria that we know survives, that we know gets into my gut, that we know starts to grow in my intestines and in my colon, we can actually start to dramatically change the entire environment of my gut for the better.